Open PicsArt app. Plus button, see all, background and white color. Okay, done. Tools button and group. Select 3 and 4. And row tool. Brush button and hardness curve 1. Color slate and row. Layer button and 3 dot and transfer. Add photo and select your model PNG. Perfect size and eraser tool and extra part erase. And adjust saturation को and layer button move done. Okay, and right button and text button, add your name and select phone. All text OK and right button and draw tool, brush button, hardness 1, color red and draw your eye. And layer button, opacity minus. OK and right button. Effect, FX tool, and last effect apply. And size 81 and feet 17.3. OK and done. Editing complete. Save your photo. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.